Yo, some boy join 5, 4, 3, yeah. So, got the new, not the new espresso, but we got an espresso yesterday. Bear with me now. I broke my tripod, so like the best I'm gonna have to do is this right here. Just bear with me now. But we're about to make a coffee. It's Sunday, watching some football. My girl's asleep right now. We went to bed late, but I want to go because I want to watch football. And I was trying to watch the fucking Patriot game, but like I can't afford Sunday tickets, so I went to a different route. But the different route not working anymore, unfortunately. Wait. Nothing there. Okay. Yeah, the reason why I got the Nespresso, or why we got it, because it replaces the drip coffee in my espresso machine. So it's technically 2-in-1. The other thing is the pods are expensive. Which ones? Yeah, your boy's still trying to figure this thing out and everything. So this one's double espresso. Now I gotta let it do its thing for a second. Get a little caramel sauce. Only problem is I don't have my espresso cup anymore. I broke both my espresso cups. I broke one yesterday, then the other one broke while we were transporting everything. Okay, there we go. Oh, got my double shot espresso right there. Now we gotta emulsify it. Ugh. Alright, so now we gotta mix it. Rest, and I'll show you guys in a second what else we got. Salted caramel creamer. whole milk. 7-Eleven whole milk. Why do we have 7-Eleven? Because we ran out. Because we ran out of regular milk, so. But I go run the frother. But the problem was, not a problem, but like I had a frother, then I threw it away because I didn't think I was gonna ever use another frother again. But now we got the best of both worlds. That's frothing. Hopefully I get some more fantasy football points. Oh, Jacksonville scored. Who the fuck scored? Was it Travis Hunter? My bad, I'm texting my friend. Bro. Come on. I don't know if I can show the TV. I'm gonna show real quick. Of course, we have to get the weak ass Steelers game. Fucking Aaron Rodgers. Ooh. I don't watch the freaking weak. Freaking Aaron Rodgers. I don't like Aaron Rodgers. So the phone's done. Boom. Okay. So basically now, I just made a salted caramel cream, salted caramel cream. What would you call this? Don't know, but all I know is I made this yesterday and it was fire.